Start.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Akhilesh Pavan from Kondapur School. I have been selected for to pursue a state level competition. My topic is methods to study brain. Everybody does have brain, but they don't know how to study brain. So today my topic is methods to study brain. Brain is a superpower. Brain and its importance. Brain is the most complex living structure. The single jelly-like organ control every aspect of a living body, ranging from basic functions like respiration, digestion, to higher skills like language, music, etc. Since it controls vital functions such as breathing, swallowing, digestion, eye movement, and heartbeat, there can be no life without it. Together, the brain and spinal cord make up the central nervous system. Next, parts of human brain: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe, spinal cord, cerebellum. And next, why to study brain? Studying the brain helps in understanding of our basic biology and body function. Knowing how things typically work can help shed light on what may happen when there are problems. It can help researchers find ways to prevent or treat problems that affect the brain, nervous system, and body. Different methods to study brain. Some techniques that are used for studying the human brain include computed tomography, CT scan, electroencephalogram, EEG scan, magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, positron emission tomography, PET scan. Next, CT scan, computed tomography, series of X-rays taken from different angles and combined by computer to show a complete representation of a slice through the body. Next, electroencephalogram records waves of electrical activity across the brain surface. Electrodes placed on the scalp. Electrical signal from the brain are transferred into waves. And the next one is MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, a technique that uses a magnetic field to send radio frequencies to the brain. A computer measures how these signals interact with the brain cells. The computer transforms these interactions into detailed images of the structure of the brain. Blood travels to active parts of the brain. MRIs display this blood flow. Advantages: detailed, no harm, living brain can be studied. The next one is fMRI, functional magnetic resonance imaging. Functional MRI creates a series of images that capture blood oxygen levels in parts of the brain that are responsible for movement, perception, and cognition. If MRI is becoming the diagnostic method of choice for learning how a normal, diseased, or injured brain is working, as well as for assessing the potential risks of surgery or other invasive treatments of the brain. And the next one is PET scan, positron emission tomography. Slight radioactive solution is injected into the blood, and then the amount of radiation absorbed by brain cells. Your thoughts light up. More color is associated with a more active brain. The colors red and yellow indicate maximum brain activity. So these are the methods for studying the human brain. Brain is the most important part of our life. Tips for a happy brain: exercise regularly, physical fitness views, mental fitness, get plenty of water, get plenty of sleep. Sleep plays a major role. Brain health. Eat a healthy diet, no junk food. Stay mentally active by learning new things. Remain socially involved by making many friends. Thank you and stay happy.
Okay. So thank you, Akhilesh. We have
Okay,
some questions for you.
okay, ma'am.
I would like to ask you, why is the brain is very difficult to study?
Brain is like an ocean. We can only study its waves. Brain is such a complex system with billions of neurons and connections with the constant electrical and chemical activities. Due to the huge complexity, it's difficult to study the brain. We need more advanced technology to study the brain, which might have be possible in future.
So, what is the typical frequency range of a standard EEG machines?
The typical frequency range of standard EEG machines is from 0.1 Hz to 70 Hz. The classic names of the EEG brands are Delta, Theta, Alpha, Beta, and Gamma.
Okay, thank you. Why is I mean, like, I still remember this, that most of the times, not most of the times, all the times, when you go for an MRI scan, more than everybody will be so scared to get this test done, and because people say because of its noise. So why do you think is MRI is so noisy?
MRI machine has metal coils known as radiation coils. When the coils receive electrical pulses, they generate a magnetic field. They vibrate and create loud noises. Since the scanner has a halo inside, these sounds echo and become louder.
Okay. So are the methods that you've explained just now, are they harmful to brain?
As some of these methods use high radiation, high magnetic fields, and also radioactive material, the repeated exposure is harmful to brain.
Okay, thank you, Akhilesh. We are done.
Okay.